In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give control in GoToMeeting. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, offering technical support, or conducting an interactive presentation, knowing how to share control of your screen can enhance the effectiveness of your meeting. Let's dive into the process of how to do this smoothly and efficiently. First off, to give control to someone else during a GoToMeeting session, the first thing you need to do is already be actively sharing your screen. This is key because the option to give control is available only when screen sharing is in progress. Once you're set up and your screen is visible to other attendees, take a look at your main GoToMeeting toolbar, which usually appears at the top of your screen when you're the presenter. Here, you'll want to focus on finding the control option. It might be labeled as such, or it could appear as an icon representing control functions, depending on your version or settings. Once you've located it, you have the option to click directly on the control button. Alternatively, you can choose to open the People pane. This can be particularly useful if you have multiple attendees and need to select the specific person you wish to grant control to. After opening the People pane, hover over the name of the attendee who will receive control. You'll see various options appear. Among them, select the Give Remote Control option. At this stage, the attendee you selected will be notified of the control request. It's important for them to be prepared for this step in advance. They'll need to click on their own control icon that shows up on their screen. Upon doing so, they should select the Enable option to accept the remote control request. It's a quick process, but sometimes it helps to give them a heads up so the transition is seamless. Now here's an interesting aspect of this arrangement. As the presenter, your mouse always has priority. This means you can regain control at any moment just by moving your own mouse. So even though you've temporarily handed over control, you're never locked out of managing your session. To make the experience smooth, consider informing your attendees about this priority feature before you hand over control. This way, they won't be surprised if a slight move of your mouse interrupts their control. So, there you have it. An easy way to share control within GoToMeeting, empowering collaboration, and maximizing engagement during your meetings. This feature can be empowering, giving participants more ways to contribute and interact directly within the meeting flow. With these steps, you're all set to enhance your meetings by sharing control effortlessly. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and I hope it helps you run more interactive and productive meetings with GoToMeeting.